In this video, we're diving into GoHighLevel's brand new mobile app 4.0, an update that completely changes how you manage leads, follow-ups, and real-world connections on the go. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and here on Startup Wise, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter systems that actually grow your business without adding more chaos. So here's the thing. GoHighLevel's always been powerful, but it wasn't exactly fun to use on mobile. It got the job done, but let's be honest, it felt like a mini version of the desktop. That changes with 4.0. This update feels like a real, modern app, clean, fast, and built for how business owners actually work. In the start of this release, you can now scan a business card in seconds and automatically create a contact, trigger a workflow, and follow up, all from your phone. Let's break down what's new, how the business card scanner works, and the 5 biggest upgrades inside of GoHighLevel Mobile 4.0. Why this update matters. So networking hasn't gone away. It's just evolved. You still go to events, conferences, or meetings. You still exchange business cards, but here's the problem. Those cards usually end up forgotten. They sit in your wallet, your bag, your car's cup holder, and by the time you finally type them into your CRM, the moment's gone. That's where GoHighLevel's new business card scanner changes everything. You can now pull out your phone, open the Lead Connector app, scan the card, and in seconds, it's added to your CRM. Complete with name, photo, email, and tags. No typing, no lost contacts. And the best part, you can instantly start an automation, like sending a text that says, "Hey, great meeting you at the event. Here's a link to book a quick call." That's what makes it so powerful. It doesn't just capture information. It turns a handshake into a system. First impressions, the new app design. So before we get to the card scanner, let's talk about the app itself, because the redesign is one of the biggest updates we've ever seen. GoHighLevel's mobile app 4.0 feels completely new. It's not just an update, it's like a full rebuild. The interface looks and feels like a native iPhone and Android app. Menus are clearer, navigation's faster, and it's easier to switch between accounts or sub-accounts. Everything just feels smoother, like it was designed for your thumbs, not your desktop. The quick actions at the bottom now include a lightning bolt menu, so you can instantly access shortcuts like add a contact, scan a business card, create a task, or send a message. For agency owners, this small tweak makes a massive difference. You can respond to clients, check your pipeline, or add leads in seconds. No desktop required. And honestly, that's been one of the biggest asks from users for years. Feature number 1, scan business cards instantly. Now, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, why don't you go ahead and click the link down below in the description where you can get started with a free 14-day trial so you can try all these features out already. Now, if you do have one, let's go ahead and dive in together. All right, so let's get into this real highlight, the business card scanner. Here's how it works. Just open up your Lead Connector or white-labeled GoHighLevel app. Go to the Contacts tab, tap the business card, or you can use the lightning bolt quick action button. Point your camera at the card. It automatically reads and fills in the details. Tap Save, and boom, it's in your CRM. It pulls in their name, phone number, email, and company info automatically. No typing. You can even scan both sides of the card if needed. For example, if someone's name is on one side and their email is on the back. If the scan misses something or gets confused, just tap Refine with AI and it'll double check and clean up all the details automatically. That's right, AI-powered text correction inside your CRM. Now, once it's saved, the new contact can automatically get added to your smart list, land in the right pipeline stage, trigger a workflow like a text or email follow-up, be tagged as business card or whatever you choose. And if you've customized your CRM with your own contact types or tags, those can be assigned right from the scan screen. No need to edit later. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you use it. So I was able to actually find a business card here. I don't go to a ton of networking events like this, but I did have a business card sitting around from my local golf professional. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. Okay, so to go ahead and use the business card scanner, like we said, first you're gonna need the GoHighLevel app and just open it up and then go to the bottom right section here where you see this little lightning bolt. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then here you can go ahead and see the scan business card option. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then we'll just come right here like this. There we go. Click save. And there, as you can see at the top, it's got the picture of the business card. We can scan the back, but there's nothing on the back of this, so there's no need to that. We've got these two buttons here, so we can attach to contact. We can save to media folder. It's got the first name right. It's got the last name right. It's got the email right. Now, okay, so here's what's funny about the phone number. There's two phone numbers. There's a phone number and a fax phone number, and it took the fax phone number, it looks like, so to have to go and adjust that. And then we can add tags here, and then we got some different do not disturb for all channels. So we can go ahead and here's that refine with AI on the bottom left. So let's go ahead and click on that and see if we can get this phone number correct. Okay, there we go. It went ahead and refined with AI, and so now it actually just added that other number, so we could go ahead and maybe do, so this shouldn't be work, this should be other, and this should be whatever, work. Cool, sweet. And then all you need to do is click save contact in the bottom right. That's how easy it is. Feature number 2, instant CRM automation. All right, so this is where the magic happens. So the card scanner isn't just a gimmick. It's the first step in a full automation flow. So here's what that looks like in real life. You're at a networking event. You meet a potential client. You scan their card right there. The system tags the contact as business card, and a workflow starts automatically. It waits 15 minutes, then it sends a text. Hey, name. Great meeting you at event name. Here's a link to learn more about what we do. If they respond, it moves them to a new stage in your pipeline. If they don't, it follows up again a few hours later. That's the beauty of GoHighLevel. It connects offline relationships with online automation. You can finally follow up while the moment is still fresh, without adding more work to your plate. And since it's all running inside your CRM, you're not losing data to third-party apps or spreadsheets. It's clean, connected, and instant. Feature number 3, customizable contact fields. In the new app, when you scan a card or add a contact manually, you can now customize which fields appear on that add contact screen. So that means if your business doesn't care about fax number or address, you can hide them. Or if you want to capture specific data like service interest or event source, you can make those show up instead. This might sound small, but it's huge for keeping your CRM organized. You can collect just the info that matters most to your business. Nothing more and nothing less. And because it's mapped directly to your workflows, you don't have to reopen the contact later to fix missing information. Everything is right the first time. Feature number 4, refine with AI. All right, let's talk more about this refine with AI feature for a second, because it's easily one of the most underrated updates in the version. So we've all tried scanning something before, a receipt, a business card, or even a QR code, and it messes up half the details. Kind of like we saw with that phone number earlier. So GoHighLevel fixes that. Now, when you scan a card, the app will read all that text and organizes it automatically. If something looks off, like an email that got chopped up or a name that didn't get parsed correctly, you just tap the refine with AI. The AI rechecks the card, cross-references the text, and fills in what it missed. In testing, it can even fix a scan where the contact's name was printed on the back of the card. That's how smart it's gotten. So you can walk away from any meeting confident that your data is clean, correct, and ready to go. Feature number 5, seamless pipeline and workflow sync. Once a card is scanned and the contact is created, GoHighLevel immediately links it to your existing CRM setup. So that means it's added to your smart list automatically. It gets sorted into your pipeline, for example, a new lead or networking contact. Your workflows recognize the tag or contact type and start your follow-up messages automatically. So if you've built automations for lead nurturing, appointment booking, or sales outreach, this connects to all of it instantly. No integrations, no Zapier, no manual syncing. It's like handing your sales team a personal assistant that files, tags, and messages every new contact right from their phone. A real-world example. All right, let's say you're a marketing consultant at a local chamber of commerce event. You meet 15 business owners in one evening. Normally, you'd come home with a stack of cards, set them on your desk, and promise yourself you'll enter them tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, and by the time you finally reach out, nobody remembers who you are. Now, with GoHighLevel 4.0, it looks totally different. You scan each card as you meet people, literally while you're talking to them. Each scan adds them to your CRM, tags them, and triggers a workflow. By the time you get home, they've already received a follow-up message from you. Hey, great meeting you tonight. Here's a link to our free strategy guide. Talk soon. And when they reply, GoHighLevel moves them into your interested stage automatically. You didn't have to lift a finger. That's what this update is about, turning human conversations into automated opportunities. Bonus highlights of version 4.0. So the card scanner might be the headline, but it's not the only upgrade worth mentioning. Here's a few other improvements that make this app feel next level. A completely redesigned interface. So the new look feels modern and intuitive. Everything from the dashboard to messages and pipeline is easier to access. Lightning bolt quick actions. You can now add things like send a message, add a note, or scan a card directly from any screen. No digging through menus. Improved speed and stability. The app loads faster, syncs better across devices, and doesn't freeze like earlier versions sometimes did. Dark mode. Finally. Yes, it's here, and it actually looks great. Better notifications. You can now respond directly from push notifications, making the app genuinely usable for daily communication. Put all that together, and it's clear that GoHighLevel's mobile experience is finally catching up to how agencies and business owners actually use their phones every day. What's still missing? Honest thoughts. All right, now to keep it real, it's not perfect. The business card scanner can still struggle a little with shiny or cluttered cards. If someone uses fancy fonts or prints their contact info on a colored background, it can take a couple of tries. So the AI Refine feature fixes most of that, but it's not flawless. And while the new design looks great, it takes a bit of time to relearn where everything is. If you've been using the app for a while, expect a short learning curve. Still, these are small issues compared to how much faster and better and cleaner the entire experience now feels. So at the end of the day, the GoHighLevel Mobile App 4.0 isn't just an update. It's a bridge between real life and automation. It takes one of the most old school tools, a paper business card, and plugs it directly into your CRM, workflows, and follow-up systems. It's the kind of feature that quietly saves you hours every week and helps you close deals that you might have otherwise forgotten. So if you haven't updated yet, head to your app store, download Lead Connector 4.0 and give it a try. And if you're new to GoHighLevel, then there's a link down below to get started with that free 14-day trial so you can test the mobile app, workflows, and automation tools for yourself. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you'll find the link down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.